This is the other side of a twin build, mirror images of each other. These Bentleigh, going by Matt Fowler. 40mm beach Aquastop, exactly the same as the last one. They've covered it up a bit here to protect it, but yeah, just finished. They've tiled the entrance, don't they? Lighting's crap, sorry, bark again. Yeah, as you see, it's stairs on the right. Just looks bloody amazing. We had a pain in the arse cupboard to do, unfortunately. We forgot about it, we'll do that last. That was fun. Toilet, the tiles put in first. We've left a 5mm gap, so I'm going to drop an L trim, an aluminium L trim, and then I'll put a cork. The other side will be a fine beaded cork. Fridge, and then the big living room, kitchen. Again, we put the rails in for the trims. But what I do, when they're all framed and it's pretty much ready for the keys, I'll come and put all the trims on so they don't get scratched with gritty boots and whatnot. You know, it's not much effort to pop back down. There we go, it's another 95 square metre, no 180 square metres of beach in 6 days. Should have taken us 5. The gremlins came out and we had a bit of a fight with half the hallway, and it's a nightmare. There you go, beach, everyone loves it, everyone wants it. I'm doing another 3, one with 25 stairs coming up from Dramana, so that'll be fun. Okay, thank you for watching.